Why do birds of paradise, I think those are birds of paradise, those flowers. Why do birds of paradise suddenly appear every time I'm called queer? Just like me, they long to be la-dee-dee. I don't know what to tell you. This is a pile of dirt, by the way. Beautiful. You'll notice if you go around the city of New Orleans, there's a lot of modern art sculpture that's happening here. This is called Pile of Dirt 2023. It's right in front of the Randolph TP Daniel #1 situation. And I can hear air conditioning happening in here because people live in here. There's some sort of weird apartments. That's what I'm thinking.